people, the man there Negril with the fresh fruits. So I go and peel a one pine. Yeah man. Fresh and nice. Yeah. And see the people the man thing ever shot, could it? Orange them well fresh, banana them well fresh, no saggy thing. Pine. Where you get fruit from?
You know, it's in the mobile market though.
Oh, you got mobile?
Yeah.
Seeing. How long did they on the street to do this?
You know, it's over 9 years though.
Oh, for real?
Yeah,
I was seeing.
Me everyday thing, you know?
Yeah man, I see that man. And you're one of the original man them in a Negril where you sell fruits.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, because a long time you see up on the streets. What's your name?
And call me Bones, you know, alias Bones.
Bones.
Yeah.
See, and the people don't know say every Jamaican have a nickname, not true? Yeah man, just bust him up so we can just go and eat him same time. Yeah man, so Jamaica uncut in the streets, Negril, and this is where they on Western Road, you know. See it there. Fresh pine. Ah, my brother. Blessed love. See the people. So we're going to just eat some pine now and go on and go with bangle. See? Blessed love, my brother.
Respect, man.
One love, yeah man. Big up the people them one time.
Yeah man, go and big up everybody. See every viewers, go and take it easy. See?
Blessed love.
One love.
Blessed love.
Yeah man. Me Bones, me have the fruits. Me have the boil egg in the early morning time. And you can find me right through Negril town in the early morning. I'm mobile, to and from.
But most of the time you're out of the roundabout in the early morning.
Yeah man.
So if a man miss them breakfast, then you can just get a boil egg said speed.
Yeah man, me the right against Caracees Plaza, so you can check me out.
Alright, see it, my brother.
Blessed
Love, yeah man. So the man with the fruits people, the man have the boil egg said speed, the man have pine, the man have orange, banana said speed. Yeah man. So big up yourself, Bones.
Yeah man,
go on, yeah, hold up your head, go on do your thing, see? Alright, blessed love.
One love.
Yeah man, one up.